T are healing. Here are a few motivational mantras to help get you through the day. Mantra 1. Become the hand that heals a heart. Remember, it takes nothing to help, but it takes everything to sit back and watch. Mantra 2. Find balance within. Remember not to focus too much on the negative. Do not focus on things that weigh you down or make your life heavy. Think of the positive aspects of life, the things that make you smile and make your heart glow. Mantra 3. You have all the tools, plant your seeds. This means that everything that you need comes from within, and if you just search within the depths of your heart, you'll be able to find all of the security that you need. Mantra 4. To set yourself free. This means to remove yourself, exclude yourself from things that make you feel stricken from allowing yourself to move as you want to, or things that prevent your dreams or aspirations from coming true. We have to learn how to start saying no to things that we often say yes to in order to keep our sanity in life. Mantra 5. Your dreams become your reality. The things that you dream of, whether it is daydreaming or when you actually go to sleep, are things that actually come into fruition, which means that they do come true. So remember what it is that you want to hold passionately in your heart and allow that to just be. This is your life. You have to live it. Mantra 6. I often repeat this several times a day. Your angels are within you and always around you. Or your angels are within you and around you always. Remember that, because in times where you're feeling distressed or distraught or alone, you have to remember that you are always being held. Your angels are with you always. This slide is not necessarily a mantra, but it's a visual aid. When your brain is clouded and cluttered, you often feel like it's a rainstorm. When it's free and open, you can absorb the rays of life. So remember, even in darkness, there is sunshine, and even in a clear day, there can always be a storm. This is a bonus, but always remember, unplug from other people's perceptions of you, because you will get lost in what they want your life to become. You have to live it, so stay true to you at all times, no matter what the cost, because you'll pay for it eventually. And this is one of my favorites. I often tell my kids this: you are the lighthouse, or you are the light that you seek. Let no one dim that, because without your light, you have no power. Always believe